Okay, so here's a rather unusual niche sort of AR-15 pistol that I built. So the thing that makes it really unusual is it uses 22 long rifle, not 223 Remington, CMMG barrel bolt. But it's also a plastic lower receiver, plastic upper receiver, plastic dust cover, plastic trigger and hammer, plastic safety, plastic pins, plastic magazine catch and release, basically everything, plastic sights, basically everything that can be plastic is. The downside to plastic, yes, it's lightweight, but it has a reputation for cracking right along through here. Now that's really only a problem if you're doing rough stuff with it, tossing it around, dropping it, if you trip and fall on top of it, that sort of thing. It's certainly not a battlefield gun. It's not a gun that I would want to bet my life on, but I don't think I'd even want it if it was my only gun. But it wasn't built for that. It was built to be a special, lightweight, tin can killer. Saving half a pound of weight by using plastic on a 7 or 8 pound rifle would be a stupid move, because what you lose in durability is not worth saving half a pound on a heavy rifle. Heavy, quote unquote. But this pistol is only 2 pounds. So taking off half a pound is very noticeable. Just taking off this little 4 ounce, quarter pound red dot sight is very noticeable with the weight on it. So just an example of a specialized AR-15 built custom instead of upgraded and swapped, because I knew exactly what I wanted the end result to be.